Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest gadgets on the market. Today, we're diving into what can only be described as the pinnacle of car audio. The JBL GTO609C 270 watts 6-1/2 premium car audio component stereo speaker system with patented +1 woofer cone technology. If you're looking for the best 6-1/2 inch component speakers available, look no further. Let's kick things off by talking about what sets these speakers apart from the competition. With 270 watts of power handling, these bad boys can handle whatever you throw at them. Whether you're cranking up the volume on your favorite playlist or blasting your favorite movie soundtrack, the JBL GTO609C delivers crystal clear sound with unmatched clarity. And let's not forget about the patented +1 woofer cone technology. Unlike other speakers in its class, the GTO609C features carbon-injected cones that are larger, allowing them to move more air and produce deeper bass. That means you'll feel every beat and bass line like never before. But it's not just about the bass. The GTO609C also features soft dome tweeters with oversized voice coils for crisp, clear highs. And thanks to the patented I-mount tweeter mounting system, you have unparalleled flexibility when it comes to installation. Whether you prefer flush mount or surface mount, these speakers have you covered. Now, let's talk about installation. These speakers are designed to be a breeze to install. With low impedance, 3-ohm speakers that compensate for undersized wires found in many cars today. Plus, with a dual-level tweeter volume adjustment, you can easily customize the sound to suit your personal preferences. But enough talking, let's hear these bad boys in action. I've got them installed in my own car, and I have to say, the difference is night and day. From the deep, punchy bass to the crisp, clear highs, the JBL GTO609C delivers an immersive audio experience that will elevate your driving experience to new heights. So there you have it, folks. The JBL GTO609C 270 watts 6-1/2 premium car audio component stereo speaker system with patented +1 woofer cone technology. If you want the best of the best when it comes to car audio, look no further. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy listening.